All right, let's get right into it. Your results from the ChronoIntelligence assessment are in, and it's official. You are part of a very unique, very powerful group. You're a wolf. So, what we're going to do here is break down exactly what that means, and, more importantly, how you can use this knowledge to completely change the game for your energy, your productivity, and just your overall life. Okay, let's do this.
Now, everything we're about to talk about comes from the incredible work behind the ChronoIntelligence Now program. This was developed by Coach Dunbar specifically to help people just like you finally unlock their potential by working with their biology, not against it.
And first things first, Coach Dunbar thanks you for making the time to take the ChronoIntelligence assessment to better understand your chronobiology. Seriously, this is the most important first step you can take. It's all about learning to work with your body's natural rhythm, instead of what you've probably been doing your whole life, constantly fighting it.
So let me ask you a question. Does this sound familiar? And I mean really familiar? Have you spent your whole life just feeling completely out of step with the standard 9-to-5 world? Well, if you're nodding your head right now, you're not alone. That right there is the classic wolf experience.
So, let's kick this off with the single most important thing you need to hear. For so long, you might have felt like something was off, or that you were on the outside looking in. Well, now you know why. Welcome to the pack. I want you to hear this loud and clear. There is absolutely nothing wrong with you. Your internal body clock, it's just wired differently. That's it. It's not a flaw, it's not a weakness, it is just a simple fact of your biology.
Okay, so now that we've got that straight, let's really dig into what it means to be a wolf. This is where we go way beyond just saying, oh, I'm not a morning person. No, we're going to get into the core traits that really make you, well, you.
As a wolf, you're in a pretty exclusive club. We're talking only about 15 to 20% of the population. This right here explains so much. It means you are fundamentally, biologically different from the vast majority of people out there.
So what does that actually feel like? Well, chances are you're incredibly creative, you're passionate, you feel things with this real intensity, right? You might have this impulsive, adventurous side to you. And here's the big one. Your energy isn't like a light switch that flips on at sunrise. Oh no, you're more like a nocturnal hunter. Your mind gets razor sharp in the evening, and your best, most productive work, that happens late at night.
Okay, so if being a wolf is totally natural, then what's the big deal? Well, here's the problem. The world we live in, our entire society, is basically built for morning people. This creates a massive conflict between your biology and what the world expects from you every single day.
And you know that feeling, that constant groggy, just off feeling you get when your alarm goes off? It actually has a scientific name, social jet lag. It's what happens when you force your body to wake up and perform hours before it's actually ready to go. And it's not just in your head, it's a real physical state of being. And this leads to something that researchers call the wolf paradox. And it is so frustrating. See, on one hand, study after study shows a direct link between being a night person and having incredibly high raw cognitive ability. Basically, wolves are often brilliant. But, and this is a big but, on the other hand, there's a negative link when it comes to traditional success in school and at work. And why is that? It's simple. The 9-to-5 schedule is actively working against you.
Now, this isn't just about feeling tired or maybe missing out on a promotion. No, living out of sync with your biology has serious, measurable effects on your health. When you're constantly fighting your internal clock, you put your body under chronic stress, and that increases your risk for things like type 2 diabetes, heart disease, and even depression and anxiety.
And look, these aren't just vague risks. These are hard facts. A massive meta-analysis confirmed that compared to morning people, evening types, that's you, tend to have a higher BMI, higher fasting blood sugar, and higher total cholesterol. At the same time, you tend to have lower levels of HDL, which is the good cholesterol. So understanding this stuff, it isn't a luxury. It is absolutely essential for your long-term health.
Okay, that is enough of the problem. Let's start talking about the solution. It's time to stop fighting your own body and start using your wolf nature as a superpower. And the key to all of this is one word: alignment. Let me show you what I mean.
So, take the story of William, a client of Coach Dunbar's. For years, William dragged himself to the gym at 6 a.m. Why? Because that's what he thought he was supposed to do. And the result? He felt weak, he wasn't seeing any progress, and honestly, he hated every single second of it.
Then, his huge breakthrough came when he went through the ChronoIntelligence Now program and discovered he was a wolf.
He made one simple change. He moved his workouts to 6 p.m., right in his natural peak energy window. And the results? They were immediate. He felt powerful, he started making real progress, and get this, he even started sleeping better. That is the power of alignment.
So you're probably asking, okay, so what does this actually look like for me day to day? Well, let's walk through the ChronoIntelligence Now blueprint for the ideal Wolf day. And remember, this isn't about some rigid forced schedule. This is about finally giving your body the schedule it's been crying out for.
Your ideal day starts around 7:30 a.m., and the first things you do are hydrate and get some sunlight. Now notice this, you wait until 11 a.m. for that first coffee. Why? Because you're letting your body's natural cortisol rise to help you focus on deep work. Then around 4 p.m., that's when your creative peak really kicks in. This is your magic time. Protect it. Your ideal workout time is later, around 6 p.m., which actually helps you wind down for your bedtime around midnight.
Now, to make this all stick, the ChronoIntelligence Now framework has a few non-negotiable rules for sleep. These are critical. Rule 1, absolutely no caffeine after 3 p.m. Rule 2, start winding down your food and alcohol intake a few hours before bed. And maybe the most important rule of all, be consistent. Sticking to this schedule, even on the weekends, is what keeps your body perfectly tuned.
So, let's just make sure the main takeaway here is crystal clear. Being a wolf is not a weakness you need to fix. It is the biological source of your unique creativity, your intense passion, and your amazing ability to see the world in a way that most people just can't.
So, I want to leave you with a question to really think about. For your entire life, you have probably been trying to succeed in spite of your biology. Just take a second and imagine, what could you achieve? What could you create? What could you experience if you finally started working with it? That's the whole journey that Coach Dunbar's ChronoIntelligence Now program is all about. Thanks for taking this incredible first step with us.